Hey guys, Jacob here from Recreational Power Sports. We just took in this 2018 Arctic Cat M8000 Mountain Cat. This one does have a 153-inch track. You do have your Fox shocks, your storage compartment, LED headlight bulbs with the LED strip on the top. This sled does not have electric start, so it is manual start only. I just want everyone to be aware of that. You do have a little bit of damage on the top there, as well as down here. This sled does also have an aftermarket can, as well as a hot pot for your food. You have reverse. You have your heated hand grips and throttle. Making our way down the sled, you do have another storage compartment here. It comes with the jerry can. The track is in very good condition for 2018. You have your snow flap. And I do want you guys to be aware, there is some slight damage on the rail there. If you have any other questions on the sled, feel free to come by and check it out or go to recreationalpowersports.com.